Dear friend, I have a question for you. I thought you said you are in Christ. I thought you professed that you are in Christ. Then why are you still behaving like the old creature? Why are you behaving like the father of all liars? Why are you looking confused? Why are you looking dazed? Why are you conflicted? If you are indeed in Christ, if any man be in Christ, he is a new creature. He is a new creature. So what is missing? Why? Come on. It's time to have a reality check. It's time to have a sacred mind renewal. It's time to have intimacy. It's time to run away from the noise. It's time to stay focused. We got work to do. Come on down.